In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the image generator inside the Fliki AI editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Fliki AI on your smartphone and log into your account using your email address or your Google accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Here you can find the video, the audio, as well as design section. Now within design, you have the thumbnail and social media post. To simply generate your image from a prompt, tap on Playground. Now within the Playground option, you can choose between image and video. Since we are trying to generate an image, let's choose the image option. Now you can choose your desired aspect ratio as well as the various AI models. You may also redefine the style between cinematic and custom. Now all that's left to do is to enter your prompt to generate your image. Simply type in or paste your prompt and then click on Generate. This will now use your chosen AI model to generate your image right away. You can tap on the Regenerate button if you are not satisfied with the result, and you also have the option to convert it to video. Tap on the Download button to save it to your device and also share using various applications. Try using the various different models to generate your desired image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the Fliki AI Image Generator. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.